Hey everybody, this is Shawn for Shawn Enterprises, online marketer, online entrepreneur, royalty affiliate, and I'm here to talk to you today about the new updated royalty compensation plan. Um, it was recently released, fairly new, and this is my take on it. I like it. I like what they're doing. I see what they're trying to do, and I see how it could benefit everyone. Basically, they eliminated two of the lower end um, ranks, which really weren't necessary because the small amounts that they were paying out was not really beneficial or life changing amounts of money for people, and it really wasn't motivating newer and lower level affiliates to strive for new levels of success. I feel as though this compensation plan here really does that. It gives people motivation, and the first rank that you get is an amount that could make a difference, a difference financially in some people's lives. So let's take a look at it. Let's get started and dig into it. As you can see, our first level here is the bronze plan, where if you generate $250 of revenue, you earn yourself a $100 a month income, and I like that. That's a nice round number to start with, and also for ranking up for reaching the level of bronze, you also on top of that get a $50 bonus, which is wonderful. Um, Remember, with Royalty, we have a dollar for dollar compensation plan. For every subscription that you sell, you get the full credit amount of that subscription. Like, say if you start you sign up a member that comes in at the starter kit, which is $57, you get the credit for that whole $57. Likewise for entrepreneur, which is $87, and small business, which is $327. Um, Dollar for dollar. There's not a lot of compensation plans out here that are giving you dollar for dollar credit for every subscription that you sell that counts towards your team volume. Our next level here, which is our silver, which is $1,000 generated income, it gives you $365 a month residual income. Residual income. And also, by this time, if you have other members of your team that are also sharing the opportunity with people and they're making strides, you get 3% of of their of their residuals also count towards you. And also for every person that ranks up underneath of you, you get a $75 bonus. That's a big difference. Because the thing is, like I said, that they're striving for leadership. They're striving for you to teach people how to earn money, how to run a business, how to start up a business, how to run a business successfully so that they themselves can create a residual income. And this new compensation plan and the bonuses that you receive for that are big motivating factors. So let's say you get three signups, $87 a month. Strive for free. They'd like to say three is better than free. You get three members come in at the $87 a month. That'll put you at the bronze level. That'll put you over $250 a month residual. That'll earn you $100 a month and a $50 bonus. Roughly add three more. You have an affiliate underneath for you that's adding. It gets you up to the silver level. You earn $365 a month. Plus, you get 3% of the residuals from your affiliate that's kicking butt also. And also, like I said, when your affiliate rank up, not only does your downline who ranks up receive the bonus of $50 or $75, you also get that one-time bonus of $50 and $75, which is huge. And so on, and like I said, it goes on up to the gold package. Like I said, a residual income of $2,500 a month for the company gets you the affiliate a $1,000 a month residual income, and then on the third level, you get 5%, 3% on the fourth level, plus $100 bonus, and so on, so forth. And it staggers up. And now also, we now pay 8 levels deep, where before we were just 6 levels. It's all about leadership. This affiliate plan is all about teaching, training others to how to be successful. Not just you yourself being successful and you having success and you not help bringing other people up. This affiliate plan focuses on you teaching, training your sub affiliates and teaching them how to rank up, how to get sales, how to share the opportunity properly, and so that they can have success. So, along with their success, you also have success also. I'm very excited about it. It goes live the first of the month, which kicks in, which is wonderful. And I'm just ready to kick butt, man. I'm teaching my people to go for three. 3 is better than free. 3 is better than free. Every new person that comes into the company, 3 is better than free. We have training programs. We have training every Monday. Corporate training is every Monday and Wednesday. Um, I do my training on Sunday nights personally for my downline. And man, we're just ready to kick butt on this new affiliate plan. I'm really stoked about these new percentage levels that we're getting on residual income. I'm real stoked about these bonuses that we have because every time I help somebody rank up, not only does the affiliate that I help rank up get a bonus, I get a bonus. Where else can you get that at, man? A shared bonus. When I say shared bonus, I'm not talking about splitting these bonuses down here at the bottom that you see. I'm talking about we each get this. So if you're a online marketer, a network marketer, and you have a huge team, and you know that you're a recruit, you're a master recruiter, you're a master trainer, you could come in under this new Royaltie affiliate plan and really kick butt, man. You come in, get this residual income coming in, you get these percentages paid out to you on your downline, and also for every affiliate that you help rank up, you get these bonuses monthly, one-time bonus for each affiliate that ranks up. So say if you have an affiliate, they come in bronze, they get the $50, they get it, you get it. And then they say they rank up again that month. On top of this first bonus, they'll get this second bonus also. And also, you. It can become very lucrative. It adds up very quickly. And, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of mathematicians out here that are looking at this compensation plan and they're just salivating at their chance and their opportunity to get in. And I would suggest that you do so. This is the company I see Royaltie taking big strides in a year coming just for simply fact of this compensation plan. And not only do we have an excellent product that works, that works perfectly for small businesses and small entrepreneurs, they are paying their affiliates out more and more money. They are paying you for your leadership and your hard work that you do to nurture and to grow a team and to train people. Does it get any better than that? If you're interested, want to know more about Royaltie, our products, or our compensation plan, or any other questions, you can reach out to me. Again, my name is Shawn, Shawn Cole Enterprises. You can reach me 410-929-3390. Follow me on Facebook, Shawn Cole, or my group page, Shawn Cole Enterprises, Shawn's Elite. Reach out to me, man. I'll be more than happy to explain some things to you, go over some numbers with you to help you better understand this. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time today.